Hi, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today I'm going to make some teacher keychains. I've got just a little bit of resin. That's all I really need. I'm just building a base for these. I don't want to make them too thick. I'm using my Space Cosmic, which is kind of like a purpley blue. And I'm just going to put a little bit in there, not a lot, just a little. Just enough to make it blue, but not enough to make it, overpower it. Stir this up. Now maybe I should go a little bit more blue. Yep, I'm going to put a little bit more blue in it. Because by the time that I put that in there, it's not going to be very dark. See that? Okay, let's go ahead and I'm just going to fill up a few of these. Not fill them up, but do some backings on some of these. Probably about 3, 4. Let's see. Yeah, I just want them to go to the edges. So I'm encouraging it to go to the edges. Yeah. Like I said, I don't want them very thick. I just want them a little bit in there. Come on. Encourage you out of there. There's plenty in that one. So. It's Teacher Appreciation Week here pretty soon, and I want to do something for my grandson's teachers. So I'm making little keychains for them so that they'll enjoy it. I hope. And they'll remember my grandson always, but he's a little bit hard to not remember. Going around like this to get those bubbles out, they'll self-level again. If I see any bubbles, I'm going to bring them to the surface or move them. And I will be spraying them with 91% isopropyl alcohol to pop the bubbles on the surface. Okay. I will be seeing you as soon as these are ready for the next step. Okay, see you then. Well, I got that cured. Let's go ahead and get these out. They just pop right out. I do believe I want to fill them up one more time so they have a little bit of heft to them, and put them back underneath the well, I've got those cured. Got a nice little dome on them. I just got to clean them up just a hair around here with my deburring tool and figure out how I'm going to put if I'm going to drill through the top or if I'm going to go down in through here with a thing. Yeah. An eye hook. think it's an eye hook. Anyway, I have to decide which way I'm going to do them. But these turned out really good. The kids are going to, the teachers are going to love them. So, if you like this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that share button as well. And we will see you next time. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.